So the video from yesterday did not record very nicely, so I'm going to quickly demonstrate what I showed yesterday. This is now unfortunately on the Mac, but the commands are the same. So in Visual Studio for GitHub, we can just open a new terminal. So just to run through some of the basic commands again, ls, that will just list everything in the current directory you're in. Then cd is to change directory. So in this case, I want to move to my projects with GitHub. So I press tab there to autocomplete. Now I'm in that folder, doesn't it? So again, I can say ls and I can see some of the folders I have. So now to create a new directory, I say mkdir to create a new directory and then the directory name. So I'm just going to call this hello world. Okay. Then I want to change into this new directory. So hello and then hello world. Okay. Next thing is to now initialize a Git repository in this folder. So that is Git init. I'm gonna run that, and you can see that the Git repository was created. So just something. This I don't think works on Windows, but if you want to see hidden files, I can say ls-a, and I can see there is my Git repository file. Okay. Next thing is now to create a new empty file. So I'm going to say echo $null, these square things or triangle things, and then I'm going to call my new file readme.md. So you have to include the extension of the file as well. Okay, if we look ls, we can see there is my new file that I created. Then if I say git status, we can see that there's only one file that is currently untracked. I have no commits, so something needs to happen with this file. So I'm going to open this file. Just drag and drop it there. Okay, I'm just going to say hello world, and then hello Victoria. Okay, just to show you again, yesterday on GitHub, so this is the Markdown language. If you want to see a preview of what that would look like, there's this little icon that says preview to side panel, and there it shows you the preview. Okay, and then I can just save this with Control-S. Then next step is now to check to add this file to my staging area. So that is Git Add, and then I need to specify the file. So I'm just going to say readme.md. Okay, so Git Status. Again, I should just showed this yesterday, but if you use the arrows up, you can scroll through your different commands. So I'm just going to go to the Git Status one and run that one again. So now we can see this file is ready to be committed. It's in the staged area. So now we can say git commit, then -m. So that means it's a flag for a message. So the thing that follows next is our message, and that is in quotation marks. So created new readme file. Okay, enter. So that change was now committed. Now we can run git log, and you can see a log of everything that was done. So this is my current commit, this is the message, and then the time and the author that created this change. Okay, next thing. Then let's do another change. Let's do a level 1 heading here and say hola Victoria. Okay, so we can save this, and if we want to submit git status, we can check, and now it tells us this file has been modified. So this now needs to be put into the staged area. So git add again and the readme file. We can now commit this again, and we can say text added to readme. Okay. There is a little summary of what was done, and then we can again say git log, and this will show you a little log of what was done. Okay, so let's now go to the next part that I showed you, is how to actually put this on the web. So if we go to GitHub, we can create a new repository, pressing the new button. So I'm just going to call this hello. I think I already have a hello world, so I'm just going to call it hello world 2. This is a public repository. I'm not adding any of these at the moment, so I'm just saying create. Okay, then it gives me some things. So I want to, in this case, push an existing repository to this. So here is some instructions for that. So basically this says create a remote repository called origin at this URL. So I can add this just here, and it will do that for us. Then we can specify that we have a branch called master, and next is to then push everything in our master branch to our Git repository. So there you can see there's something being done, counting, it pushed everything up, and now it has been completed. So if we come back here and we say code, we'll see here is our file that we created. So if we go back here, let's make a new change. So let's change Victoria to GIS, GMT 320. Okay, we can save that. We can git add the readme, so add it to our staging area. Then we can commit with a message GMT added to text. Okay, now we can again push our branch. So it's this command, push our branch to origin. And if we execute this, we'll see something happening. Okay, it's complete. We can also look at git log, and this will give us some more information. So you can see this one now was committed to the origin and the branch. Okay, so if we go back here and we refresh, we can see that it says hello GMT 320. Okay, that is all. Thank you.